So each department is struggling and fighting its own battles. But in order to get to a one unified quality management system, quality philosophy, right? There should be a unified mission. So why isn't it so? So where do companies fail to establish such an organization and such a culture?
Well, it all starts with leadership, either the executive leadership or just below that, that they establish the culture. You correctly stated that. What is the culture? What is it that I'm trying to do? And what's the mission? If the mission is seen as getting it out the door quickly, then that will be what is done. If it is fractured, where people have different missions, different visions of what is success, it all comes up to leadership to say, we are one group, we're one company, we have to have a unified mission, and it has to be something that everybody understands. It can't be a mission statement that sounds good, that was put together by corporate communications, that they write on the wall behind you. You walk in, you see this thing, and it sounds really good, but it's like, well, what does that mean? What is that? And really, it comes down to people have to ingrain that. It gets back to my concept of really infusing those GMPs into your DNA. You do that by understanding a culture. What are those core values that you do? And sometimes it really gets down to blending those separate silos in the company and saying, we're all one group. You have to empathize with this group. You have to empathize with this group. We all are on the same team. We're all on the same ship. If we don't see that, then it doesn't matter if I'm successful getting stuff out the door and quality is unsuccessful, because at that point, then we create the silos, the different teams, the people who are not working together. We really have to develop a soul of a company, which is the culture. Without that, and without it unified, then you get you get the strife, you get the struggle, you get the misalignments. Those are really critical, and a lot of this comes out to that upper structure, creating that system, and then making sure all of that is brought together in training, the training, the coaching, that we all are working together, and that way we see each other as who we are on the same team. I've got to help you. If you and I were racing together as a team and you fell down, I would come back and pick you up and help you. Anymore, what we look at are people, if we're racing against each other, I would probably trip you so you fall down so I can win. And that's the problem that we have.